Hi, my name is Paulina, and I'm here to tell you a basic fact of life. Burping is healthy. Now I'm here to tell you why burping is healthy. Reason number 1, helps prevent against acid reflux disease. Reason number 2, helps your digestive system. Now I have no real proof to show you, so you're just going to take my word for it. Now if you want to know about some drinks that'll help you burp, I'm here to show you one. Monster Energy drink. And it tastes great. Thank you for watching, and tune in next week for another basic fact of life.